Hey guys, I'm super excited about finding my motor.
No, we're super excited that we found a 3S GT motor for our Mr. 2.
Look at my smile.
He's so excited.
Psych! I'm so excited! Basically uphaul them completely.
Yeah.
Not completely, but I mean...
yes. I do everything except take the head off.
Okay.
Yeah. But I'll do the entire timing belt service all along here. You know, the water pump, the 2 cam seals, the cramp, the oil pump, the 2 bearings and the tensioner.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll do the rear main also. You see on the back.
Mm-hmm.
And the valve cover.
And do you change this guy too? Because I heard,
yeah.
yes, I because I heard that is like a pain in the butt.
It is, but that was mostly an issue on the Gen 2, that engine over there. Those are the automatic ones.
But I mean, like, this part is only like $7, right?
Yeah, but
so
the reason I don't mess with those lights is because I have to take the turbo off to get to it.
Oh, okay.
If I take the turbo off, some of these studs are gonna break. So I gotta put new ones in, and some of these will strip. So I gotta fix the holes. Now that's extra cost. For some people, it's a big deal.
Yeah.
I understand for some it's not.
Well, I figure since the car, because I know that's usually a problem area. So I just figured, like, you know, if we can replace it, like, I don't have to worry about that.
If you want to do it, I'll do it.
Okay.
As long as you're aware of what might happen.
Okay.
I tell that to everybody.
Yeah.
I mean, there are some that are just cheap with the bill.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, that's the best I can say it.
Yeah,
so,
totally.
You know, everybody's different.
Yeah. Well.
But if you want me to replace them, yeah, I'll replace those.
Yeah, I just, you know, I think that would be good to, but you have to take the turbo off, because it's like that, right? Because
it's tucked behind it, and it's impossible to get to it.
Yeah, I've seen that episode.
So the Japanese Ferrari, otherwise known as a 91 Toyota MR2.
Mike!
A Toyota MR2 with a very annoying leak.
It's a notorious problem that exists on MR2s. In fact, it's so bad it earned the nickname the hose from hell. That is not a joke.
So, and then the valve cover, I'll send it out to get powder coated. There's a little color chart that my guy has.
Nice.
I'll let you pick.
Do you have any samples? Anything you've done already? Like,
only this one right here, but it's not really like a great example. This one's called Hammer Blue. It has a blue wrinkle texture. But I don't have any other ones here that I've already done.
Okay, I see those. I like the texture.
Yeah.
My car back in the day, I did like the Type R red.
Oh, the wrinkle red.
Yeah,
that one's popular. It's kind of like this, but it's red.
Yeah, and it doesn't have as much shine.
No,
it's more matte.
It's matte.
Comfy. So what are you working on right now? Are you doing anything? You doing anything fun, or which one are you working on right now?
But I have to do that one next. This one's going in the A11.
In a what?
The old MR2, the squared one.
Oh, the squared one?
Yeah, it's called the A11.
That's gonna be pretty fast, huh?
Oh yeah, the car weighs less than 2,000 pounds. That thing's gonna be a rocket.
And so, what do these guys? I mean, like, where do these guys find you from? Like, do you advertise or?
No, they all found me on Instagram. But I mean, before I didn't even advertise myself at all. And then
you still don't. I mean, you don't even do anything on Instagram. No, like, I'll be like, hey man, Austin Village. You'll be like, thumbs up. I'm like, man, he gave me a thumbs up, man.
I don't have no time to be on it.
I was like, man, he don't like me, man. He's just trying to. He's like, man, stop talking to me. I'm working.
No, when I get in the mood of fixing the car, I kind of don't even pay attention to the
I feel you.
fully finished.
I feel you.
I can't take it out because it's under the engine. But
No. I'm just gonna go.
That one's the upgrade turbo right there.
And that's a Toyota one.
Yeah.
So,
that turbo is the same one the Latinos come with.
So do you know which one is the one that comes with it? The one that would have been on there?
On your car?
Yeah.
It's the same one.
Mm-hmm.
What they do is I'll send this one out, and they'll rebuild it, and they'll bore out the compressor housing on this side, and they'll put a bigger compressor wheel on it.
Oh, so we basically keep the stock one.
Yeah,
we just
they
hook
use
it
the
up.
original core.
Oh, okay.
They'll rebuild it and then upgrade it.
And is it that shop here in LA that they do like the home? They like actually balance it out and everything.
Well, they're in San Bernardino, but yeah.
Few moments later.
So what is all these, man? You got freaking whoa! That is beautiful. So somebody who's watching this has no idea what the hell this is. Could you just tell me? Because see, I see something here. This says 16V turbo, 2000 intercooler turbo. Someone that has no idea what an MR2 motor is. Can you tell me a little bit about this?
These are not even from MR2. They're from Caldina in Japan. It's a wagon, and they all come automatic. They crank out 280 horsepower. So
280.
That's a lot for an MR2.
Yeah.
I mean, the MR2s come with 180 on a good day.
On a good day. I mean, you got that wagon motor.
Yeah.
So we can basically say MR2 wagon.
Basically.
MR2 wagon, MR2 wagon, MR2 wagon. All the housewives pulling up.
And these engines come with all-wheel drive transmission, so that's why they bump the power a lot.
Have you ever met anyone that took this motor and did a conversion like the like an all-wheel drive MR2?
No, it's impossible.
Is it?
Honest. There's no way for them to have a front-wheel drive diff or anything.
Got it.
It's too complicated. I don't even think anybody would bother.
I mean, you could make it, but it would cost so much, and you'd have to be like
ridiculous.
a custom.
At that point, I don't even think it would look like an MR2 no more.
Yeah.
You would have to almost damn near change everything. Because guys that usually do crazy setups like that, they go with a tubular frame.
Yeah.
And then they'll just throw kind of like a shell on top, but
Exactly.
that's not really an MR2 no more.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, now what is your opinion on the rumors about Toyota possibly releasing another MR2?
I've been hearing that for like the past 6 years, but I haven't heard anything. Because they said when they first announced something MR, it turned out to be a Prius MR. So they're like, okay, well that wasn't shit.
That's something you would rock, right?
Yeah. And then with the Super coming out with that BMW engine, everybody's disappointed at that. So I don't think anybody has hopes right now.
We're all hopeless, right?
Yeah. And I
How
doubt.
do you feel about that, huh?
I still have hope.
Okay.
I still have some hope.
I hope they do, but I hope they bring it back at least an actual performance car with a manual transmission. Cause
Well, the rumor I heard was they might collab with Porsche, and I was like,
really?
Yeah.
Well, at least they know what they're doing, so I'll take that.
Awesome, man. That's so exciting.
Few moments later.
Oh, they come from
Real okay.
I was like confused.
That means they cut the car in half.
Yeah, I knew what he was talking about.